Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to see some of the basics of Canva interface. So if you're new to the channel, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. And if you want to get this full Canva training, the link to the playlist for the series of lectures is in the description. So with this said, let's get started. Okay, now this is the home screen that you will get when you first log in to Canva. Now the design and templates might be little different from when I'm recording this video and when you are seeing it, because the software or the website keeps on changing, but the function should remain the same. So right now I'm recording on 22nd of July 2022. So if you're watching this video sometimes in the future, then your template or your interface might be different. So if we talk about the home screen, what you will get by default, on the left hand side there is a navigation pane which is by default on the home screen. On the home screen you have the search option, that if you want to search out from the templates a particular design, for example a YouTube banner or a Facebook post, you can get some templates about it. You can also get some template videos or presentations as you like. And there are some also suggested templates down there. Now, if we scroll down, the most popular templates are shown up here. Also, your recent designs, if you have created any. Right now we are under new account, so there are no designs to show up here. And if we change it from home tab to templates, let's see what we get. You can get the option of all the templates to browse from. You can choose the category of business, social media, video, marketing, and custom prints. Also, some educational templates are down here. If we click further down here, you will get some further options like flashcards, storyboard, comic strips. So that's about it from the templates. And the most widely used options that we will use in Canva is the search option and the create design option. Now, what the create design option offers is very interesting. Let's say if I click on it, the suggested ones are video, presentation, Instagram post, logo, Facebook post, and other things. If you're working on YouTube, you can simply write here YouTube and you will get all the suggestions regarding the YouTube templates. For example, YouTube banner, channel logo, you can create your profile pictures, you can create your shorts, titles, thumbnails, so on and so forth. So these are some of the basic options. Now also, when you click on search, you will get two areas to switch from. Either you can choose from the default templates that you have, or if you switch the tab to projects, you will find the projects or designs that you have created. So for example, right now, if I select and write Instagram, you will get the options like Instagram Live, Instagram Grid, Post, Portrait, and Landscape both, and there are some suggested templates as well. If we browse further into these templates, you can click on see all. So there are a couple of templates that is available for the free version. Obviously, if you're subscribed for the pro version, you will get a lot more. So you can choose from these and you can further customize it. Some of them even are showing in the pro version. So right now only this post is available in the free version. If we want to switch back to the home page, you can click on the home page from here, or you can click on the Canva icon to go back. Now, the most important thing is you can design anything you think of in Canva. For example, if you just want to design your resume, so you will just write resume here and you will get a lot of resume templates that are available for free. You just have to select that template. Just make sure that it is not in the pro version or the paid version, which is indicated here. Let's see, this is my free version. Let's click on it and there it is. Now it is available in the edit mode. You can change the title, you can change the profile picture and all the details to customize that for you. You can also change the color scheme if you like. So this is just one example. Let's say if you want to design a flyer for your business. So this time let's write flyer. So you have the option of designing the business flyer, the real estate, school flyers. You can choose from any template from thousands of options available. And that's the power of this app. So you can see here, this is a business webinar template of a business flyer, so professionally designed, and it is available for free. Now, one more thing that is super important in Canva, sometimes you need a custom size for your banner or for your any flex or for your any business design, for example, print cards or something. So in that case, if you are unable to find the standard template size, you can set the custom size of your own. You can just click on here and you can design the width, for example 1920 by 1080. If you want this size to be designed, you can create 1920 by 1080 pixels, and let's click on create design. Although it will create a blank page for you, and you also will have some suggestions here, but the best part is those templates, even if the pixel size or the dimensions are different, you can adjust it on this template by your own. For example, if I throw this here, you just hold it, drag and drop, and it will automatically adjust according to that size. And same thing goes for all the templates. For example, even if they are little bit less in size, let's give an other example. For example, if you want to upload some images, you can go to uploads after you open the design and click on upload media. And let's say from pictures, I want to upload this screenshot. Now, like we have discussed in the difference between the basic and the pro version, that the background remover tool is available in the pro version. So it is suggesting that here. So when we drag and drop this image here, if we bring it to the corner, it will automatically adjust in size. But if we just drag and drop on the center, it will have the standard size, which you can adjust later on by these controllers. You have the option to make it wide. You have the option to move the arrow here. On all of these sides, you have the controllers. So you can adjust according to your requirements. This is an important tool that you can adjust the custom sizes in your Canva app. Also, if you have the size not in pixels, but in inches, millimeters, or centimeters, you can change the proportion or calculation here as well. So this is it. This is the basic introduction of the home screen and how you can launch a new projects in Canva. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.